Join me as I take on the ultimate challenge of recreating the deviled egg trio from Epcot's Festival of Arts. In this video, I recreate the trio with my own spin to Epcot's recipe. The 5-5-5 method for instant pot hard-boiled eggs is a game changer. For those who aren't familiar, it is a reliable way to get perfectly cooked eggs every time. Start by placing the trivet in Instant Pot. Add 1 cup of water. Now gently place the eggs on the trivet. I used 18 eggs, 6 eggs for each recipe. Close the Instant Pot and close the seal. Step 1. Set pressure cooker for 5 minutes on high pressure. Step 2. Allow for a natural pressure release for 5 minutes. Step 3. Transfer the eggs to an ice bath, set aside for 5 minutes. The 5-5-5 method is fantastic for easy peeling. Just look how easy it is. Cut the eggs in half. Place the egg yolks in a bowl and egg whites placed to the side, ready for their delicious filling. I sat out 3 bowls and placed 6 whole egg yolks in each bowl for each of the recipes. Let's get started on the Green Goddess deviled egg filling. 1/4 of avocado will give the Green Goddess filling a lovely richness and creaminess. 2 tablespoons of sour cream. This adds a nice tang and creaminess. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This will add even more creaminess and bind the filling together. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 tablespoon tarragon will give a slightly anise-like flavor. Salt and pepper to taste. Add a little at a time and adjust as needed. Whip the yolk and ingredients together, making sure to whip it until the filling is perfectly smooth and there are no lumps. Put about 1 teaspoon of the Green Goddess mixture into each egg white half. Sprinkle with tarragon to finish our Green Goddess deviled eggs. Let's move on to the pimento cheese deviled eggs. Starting with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise is a great base. 2 tablespoons of pimento cheese, this brings a rich and smoky flavor to the mix. A dash of Dijon mustard is a fantastic addition to the pimento cheese filling. A dash of garlic is a great addition and complements the richness of the pimento cheese and mayonnaise. Salt and pepper to taste. Add a little at a time and adjust as needed. Mix the ingredients together until there is no lumps. Snipping off the corner of a plastic bag is a fantastic way to get a clean and even fill for your deviled eggs. A sprinkle of parsley for a perfect finishing touch for the pimento cheese deviled eggs. Now we are ready to tackle the final flavor in this Epcot trio, the BLT deviled egg. Starting with 1/4 cup of mayonnaise for the base. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons finely diced tomatoes to bring a fresh and juicy flavor and a pop of color. Add the 4 pieces of chopped bacon. Whip ingredients together, making sure to whip it until the filling is mixed well. Fill the egg whites with the BLT filling. Place crumbled bacon pieces on the eggs. A sprinkle of parsley is a perfect finishing touch for the BLT cheese deviled eggs. Don't forget to check out my other cooking videos for more Disney-inspired eats and treats. Until next time, happy eating!